Good morning, good day, good evening sa lahat. Good day. Ang Howjan Online Review Center would like to inform sa lahat na sumusunod o na subscribers at dong gustong mag-review online lang ito. Open na tayo, ongoing ang ating online. Every Saturday, Sunday, may schedule na Zoom lecturers. Rather, may lecturers via Zoom. Okay? Pero gusto ko lang ma-announce sa lahat na gusto na mag-exam, ang exam is February 4, 5, and 6, 2026. That means next year. Pero kailangan mag-file na po kayo. Ang deadline of filing with the Professional Regulation Commission is December 29, 2025 this year. So, importante, maka-visit ka naman. Ang online kasi ngayon, mabilis na. You visit the website ng PRC, anong mga requirements. Pero kung first time mo, kailangan yung TOR mo, ang remarks for board exams, at naka-CAV. Ang CAV is issued by the Commission on Higher Education. So, CHED, Certificate of Authenticity and Verification. No? So, verified na hindi fake yung TOR mo. And ongoing ang ating online review. Please visit our website. Dito lang sa ating kauna-unahang online review. Pwede ka ma-access 24/7. Hindi lang ito email. We have a website. We have a web page. You can scroll, view, read notes, view videos, lesson sa time na gusto mo. Kasi 24/7 man. And may mga lectures via Zoom with our known competent experts in criminology. May schedule. We will provide you the link sa gustong mag-enroll online. At since ang exam is February 4, 5, 6, we will have our final coaching marathon review starting January 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, 3. So, kung titingnan mo yon 7 days on the exam. Check ninyo kung ang ating track record andyan na. Nasa website, you check our board performance sa ating online review. Hindi naman siguro natin ikakahiya. Ayaw lang nating dala yung ating ipagyayabang pa natin. Basta, ang ating review center started way back. The first board exam was 88. I took the board exam in 1988, April. By August, na-release yung results at the time. Hindi pa multiple choice. Or rather, computerized. Hindi siya computerized. Tapos, since then, set up the review center. So, immediately after, yung 89 na board exams, may board passer na kaagad ang ating Howjan Review Center na ngayon ay Gemini Online Review. So, kita-kits tayo in the cyber world. Enroll, visit our website.